Hello there, guy. I'm going to teach you how to make honey lavender simple syrup. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of organic lavender, buddy. You're gonna need 1 cup of honey. You're gonna need half a cup of cane sugar. And for the final touch, you need just 1 cup of water. Now, let's get to work. What you want to do here is grab your cancer Teflon bowl or pot. Get ready to put, not ice, get 1 cup of water in there for one. Beautiful. Pour in. Got this. And then you want to take 1 tablespoon of lavender. Now, I prefer to harvest my own lavender, but unfortunately, I had to get to Whole Foods and get some lavender ourselves. So, measure this out, 1 tablespoon. See you in a second, friend. Well, shit, bud. That was just a little bit more lavender than I expected, so here we go. 1 tablespoon as you... Oh, shit. Fuck. Alright. Well, we'll clean that up. Still, just 1 tablespoon inside the pot of a cup of water. The next step, you're going to want to take the water and the lavender and go ahead and bring it to a boil. Dig in there. Get yourself half a cup of sugar. I want this real sweet sip. That looks about right. Half a cup right there. And for your honey, you want a full cup of honey. Beautiful. Beautiful. No sticky residue left on the bottle. Yeah, just a drip. Don't mind that. So guys, now that we got a boil going on here, throw your sugar and throw your honey. Delectable. You want to add those ingredients and get a simmer going, maybe at 2, 1.8 to 1.5, anything in there. And just simmer for about 15 minutes. And I'll come back to you guys and let you know what to do next. Thank you.
Now, so after about 15 minutes on there, you want to take her off for about an hour, actually. So just let her cool down for about an hour, and I'll get back to you. Yeehaw, buddy.
Okay, so once your mixture is cooled, you're gonna get a funnel, a cheesecloth, and a rubber band. You're gonna wanna put the cheesecloth over the rubber band, over the funnel, to get, you're gonna strain the lavender out once we pour it in here, and we're gonna store a syrup in this bottle. And of course, use your rubber band to secure it to the funnel itself. I'll be back.
All right, now you're gonna take the your mixer you made here, and I got my straining contraption set up here. Now you probably want to do this over a sink, but that's not how we do it around here. So you're just gonna slowly pour it, and really just hope that the honey will strain through. Now this is one concern I had, and my worries have come to fruition here. So we're gonna do a little bit of troubleshooting here and figure out another method to get this, because she just don't want to go through at all. I ain't even seeing 1 drop. So I'll check back in with you folks. Thank you.
Real here on this channel. You know, through life, you're gonna come through challenges, and you just gotta learn how to overcome them. So I'll be honest, that last method just sucked. It was shitty. So my new method here, we're gonna do what we tried first here. We're gonna put, this time, a skeeter net over here. So we got our skeeter net on here, and this should be just the right diameter to block out our lavender and let in our honey, our viscous mixture here. So let me set this contraption up, and I am 99.9% positive this will give us the results we're looking for. So we'll be back for you. Skeeter net secured. Lavender pouring, and look at that, folks. Look at that. We've got ourselves a smooth filtration here, holding back all the lavender, letting through all the liquid. That's what we love to see here. Beautiful. Look at that golden mixture filling up. Oh, snit. Just let a little bit overboard here. Now it's looking like we're getting a little bit of substance in there, but that's all right. And a little bit of nature never hurt anyone. So just a little bit left here.
You heard me?
And there you have it, folks. There is our mixture. Now, this simple syrup can be used for many uses. Preferably for me, I like to use it on coffee, a little bit of cold brew. I'll show you how to make some cold brew pretty soon here, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, you can mix this with a nice glass of whiskey. All right, now, take care.